Welcome back, everybody. Today Elena and I are talking about a used engine from Powertrain Products. Elena, what do we have here today?
So today we have a 2.5 liter used unit that came out of a 2015 Ford Escape. Although it did come out of the Escape, it will actually also fit in Transit Connect and Fusion applications as well.
It looks very complete. Do all the used applications come this way?
No, unfortunately they don't. This engine is very, very complete, and I'm sure looks very different than what we usually show you. So not all of them will come this way. Whether they do or don't come with all this dressing, it really doesn't matter, because in all honesty, we recommend that you strip and completely reseal your engine anyway.
It also looks very clean and low mileage. How many miles are on a used engine?
So we don't sell any used unit here with over 80,000 miles.
Do these come with a warranty?
They do. They come back with our 2-year million-mile parts and labor warranty. All of our used products do, actually, engines and transmissions. And they are actually eligible to be upgraded to our Pure Care plan, which is our no-fault warranty for those that don't know.
So if I wanted to get a used engine from Powertrain Products, how would I go by getting it?
You would, the same way you would buy a Reman, you can just give us a call at 888-842-0023. You can follow us online to powertrainproducts.net as well.